we've moved around through the nook and crannies of this great country of ours. And the support for our candidate, for our party, and all our candidates have been massive, very robust, and indeed very reassuring that victory is indeed lying ahead of us. On this note, therefore, let me commend and thank all our party leaders on behalf of the campaign council and the management. Let me thank all our party members. Let me thank all the sympathizers of our candidates and supporters. And let me thank multitudes and millions of Nigerians who do not belong to any political party, but believe in a better and greater Nigeria, and that are convinced about the candidature of Atiku Abubakar Atiku Okowa. When the campaign started, and at the time nomination closed, we have 18 presidential candidates running. Of the leading candidates, and I repeat, of the leading candidate, there must be a leader. And the leading candidate, by the grace of God, for this election is Atiku Abubakar. And the leading ticket, and the ticket that will deliver Nigeria, that reflects the true character of Nigeria, is Atiku Okowa. We are not religious bigots, and we are not ethnic chauvinists. We present a candidate that is prepared from day one to reunify Nigeria and govern Nigeria. Our candidate and our campaign has presented to the Nigerian people our 5-point agenda, which Atiku Abubakar and Okowa are ready to implement from day one by the grace of God. Other candidates have not done so in the way and manner Atiku Abubakar and Okowa have done their own. Other candidates are not as experienced in any way close to Atiku Abubakar in terms of governance at the federal level. We cannot afford to experiment Nigeria by introducing and bringing to the fore candidates who do not have that experience, who at best have governed at subnational level. I know what I'm saying because I am a governor now and I have been Speaker of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I know the difference. The difference is clear. It is Atiku Abubakar that can drive Nigeria to the promised land. At this point, as lawyers will say, arguments have been made, issues have been joined. It is clear that it's only Atiku Okowa that are prepared to lead this country in a united manner because the ticket reflects the character of this country. Atiku is competent, he has the capacity, he has the capability, he has the mental faculty that is functioning, and he is prepared to provide this leadership that we require today. We must not make the mistake of voting for APC again. We have seen what we are going through, and enough is enough. We must not vote for APC again. I will not talk of Labour, because their candidate, when he was governor of Anambra State, he was not even able to conduct one single local government election. I challenge the Labour people to bring that record where Peter Obi was able to conduct a local government election. So how can he be ascribed, or how can he be now attempting to be president of Nigeria when, as governor, he could not organize a local government election? He is not democratic enough. In any case, his candidature is tainted by ethnic chauvinism, and we know what that will portend for Nigeria. In any case, his party has not been able to even field enough candidates for National Assembly elections. And in any case, they have not even been able to muster agents that will cover the over 170,000 polling units in this country. So his candidature, by the grace of God, is dead on arrival. The only candidate that is prepared for this country is Atiku Abubakar. I appeal, therefore, to the Nigerian people, this being our grand finale, that we shall come out on February 25th and vote for Atiku Okowa. Jama'ar Adamawa, muna godiya kwarai.